The fifth product on this list is the BCAN Foldable Mini Trampoline. Prepare to revolutionize your workout with a twist of fun. Meet the BCAN Foldable Mini Trampoline, your new exhilarating fitness ally. It's not just another exercise tool. It's a standout in the realm of home fitness. The highlight? Assembly woes are a thing of the past. This trampoline arrives 60% pre-assembled, complemented by an exclusive tool that streamlines the rest. In a swift 10 minutes, you're all set for a fitness journey that's as enjoyable as it is effective. But the 2022 updated version of this fitness trampoline is more than just fun. It's a robust performer, boasting 32 high-strength bungee ropes, a thick steel frame, and a durable PP mat. It's built to support up to an impressive 450 pounds. This isn't merely a workout companion, it's a durable powerhouse. Concerns about joint impact? Worry no more. Enhanced with top-notch bungees, it offers a gentler, safer bounce, protecting your knees and back. In essence, the BCAN Foldable Mini Trampoline is far more than a fitness apparatus. It's your gateway to enjoyable, resilient, and convenient exercise experiences. Its pros are: it features extra thick bungees that not only deliver a comfortable workout, but also offer carrying protection for your knees and back. Its bungee cords are stronger and quieter than other trampolines, and it has a unique foldable frame structure, making it a breeze to store. However, its legs may bend at the connection point if not set up on an even base. The BCAN Foldable Mini Trampoline is a great investment for those who want to incorporate exercise into their daily routine. It's a fun and efficient way to get your heart rate up and stay active.